Welcome to my channel, and today I want to teach you guys how to sign up Fiverr. The people who are the first time register or sign up the Fiverr, you can get about 20% off all the gigs you have been buy anything in Fiverr, 20% off. Okay, now let's start how to sign up. At first, you need to click on the right side of the one icon called join. Click in it and then click on your email. Then click on continue and click on the username you want to use. Like you choose your own username, then choose your password and then click on join. This is easy, very easy. Wait for it. Wait a minute. Okay, then you can buy anything in Fiverr. If you have any friend, you can invite and get up to 100 bonus. Guys, if you have been already signed up with your email address, you need to confirm it to activate your account. But if you're not getting your email right, you need to click on resend again so you get the email and confirm it. Okay, then how can get the 20% off? Like I choose one of the gigs and buy for it, like logo design, right? Click on it and click on, if you want to buy this, right, the logo design, click on continue. See this, 20% off of your first order at checkout. The link will link in the video below, so if you want to register or sign up, you can click on the link and sign up. Thank you everyone.